25 ways to carve out a bedroom in your studio apartment. This New York City apartment is a tiny, urban oasis brimming with style. The designers at Label Studio chiseled out separate spots for sleeping, working, and entertaining by dividing the single-room apartment in half. Room divider curtains conceal a queen-sized bed in this 450-square-foot studio by Benjamin Hall Design and Build based in Phoenix, Arizona. Making room to plop down a mattress, not to mention a sofa, in a studio apartment that measures barely 129 square feet seems impossible. But this renovation by Julie Nebuset Architectures pulls it off. Painting walls different colors is one of the simplest and most affordable ways to create separation in a single room. Dove gray on one section of the wall creates the illusion of a bedroom in this Swedish studio on Alvhem McClary. The couple who moved into this studio apartment featured on IKEA Hackers could not bear the idea of having a bed in their tiny living room. So they came up with an ingenious hack to conceal their mattress. Their project shares how to turn two PAX closet doors into a built-in room divider that glides across a ceiling track. Do you have high ceilings? Consider squeezing a loft bed over your kitchen. Doing so in this Swedish studio apartment featured on Fantastic Frank created space for a sizable living room. The stairs double as storage units. Furniture specifically designed for small spaces can help maximize skimpy square footage, as in this 270-square-foot studio apartment by Zucchini Interior Design. Living room furnishings include a shallow love seat and a small bistro set. A narrow bookcase on the left carves out a spot for a bed with a built-in headboard. London-based architectural firm Chow transformed this studio apartment with custom built-ins that smartly divide the open space. A raised platform and custom desk combo separates the bedroom from the central living area. The interior designers at Laurel & Wolf used furniture to split up the open floor plan of this 600-square-foot studio into 3 distinct sections. The interior designers at Home Polish used a large bookshelf to sculpt out a bedroom in this studio apartment. The open design of the shelving unit divides the space without blocking sunlight. A bed perched above the sofa increases floor space for a living room in this Swedish apartment featured on My Scandinavian Home. In this tiny abode designed by Position Collective, a tennis net divides the dwelling into 2 distinct rooms. Classic pegboards are employed as storage walls, offering a sleek solution for keeping clutter at bay. The smart designers at Facet 14 Studio turned a nook in this New York City studio apartment into a private bedroom by installing sliding doors that glide on a built-in track near the ceiling. A sofa that works overtime as a bed adds more function to this itty-bitty studio apartment seen on Luden Fastighetsbyrå. Adding decorative elements such as pillows as throws makes the mattress feel more like a sofa. Patterned wallpaper and a glass-top desk separate the bedroom from the living room in this chic studio apartment by BAM Design Lab, while splashes of turquoise harmonize the distinct spaces. A deep recess provides just enough space to position a twin bed in this studio apartment on Björfors. Placing the mattress on a platform with built-in storage drawers capitalizes the little nook. The interior design team at Home Polish installed sheer floor-to-ceiling curtains to partition a bedroom in this gorgeous studio apartment. A custom fabricated wood platform with built-in cabinetry by Jordan Parnas Digital Architecture incorporates the bed in this New York City studio apartment. The efficient piece accommodates a queen-size mattress, as well as plenty of storage and an integrated ladder. A temporary half-wall divides the square footage in this Scandinavian studio apartment spotted on Alvhem McClary. This is a particularly good idea for a rental where building something permanent is prohibited. The interior designers at the Brooklyn Home Company combined weathered wood with custom storage to create some privacy for a bedroom in this New York City studio apartment. The bespoke room divider adds rustic character to the shabby chic living room. Blogger Jackie Claire from York Avenue used an IKEA PAX shelving unit to divide her tiny studio apartment into two distinct living areas. The best part, the smart piece of storage furniture cost less than $110. This smart, room-maximizing system created by IKEA Design brought supersized function to a tiny condo in San Francisco. The unit combines a loft-style bedroom on top of a multifunctional room packed with transforming furniture. A favorite feature is the dining room table that folds into the built-in cabinetry. The wall facing the seated woman conceals a full-size Murphy bed for houseguests. Most of the furniture chosen by interior design firm Black & Milk for this 270-square-foot studio apartment has a space-saving superpower. A secret cabinet conceals a wall bed that pulls down over the sofa. The mirrored wall on the right is, surprise, freestanding storage made up of 5 wardrobe cabinets lined up side by side. Not shown is a shallow console that opens up to a 6-seat dining room table. Plywood and a heaping dose of creativity turned this minuscule rental seen on Svenska Maklerhuset into a cozy studio apartment. The lumber was used to construct the piece of platform furniture with built-in storage drawers on the left. The unit separates the bedroom from the living room by lifting the mattress nearly 3 feet above the floor. To boost the sense of separateness, try hanging a floor-to-ceiling curtain. Interior design consultant Chris Nguyen from Analog Dialogue used a scrim to divide this 450-square-foot studio apartment. The thick gauzy fabric doubles as a giant projection screen for watching movies and TV. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.